Ah. Someone named Sammy Twackle. Yes. Here we go. Alright, so you have two cubes. This one's whatever. This one is very special, so I'll get the special one later. So this is, I think this is the MF, the first MF budget cube. Kind of feels like, it feels almost exactly like a Guanglong. Guanglong is a bit more, has a bit more of like a, like, this feels really hollow and cheap. It's only $4, but it has a lot more of a snappy, hollow, really light feel. The cube is very light. A lot more, this is a lot lighter than the Guanglong. Anyway, this is pretty meh. You know, it's a $4 cube, so you know, you get what you pay for. So now this is an Aolong version 1 full size. Now the reason I got this is because I've always wanted an Aolong version 1, and I wasn't quite satisfied with the mini. So oh my gosh, this is good. This is very good. This is really, really good. Now this is white. I do prefer black plastic puzzles, but you know, it's better than nothing. Like, I know this is a pretty old cube, it's like 3 years old. Wow, it's old. But I'm still really glad I bought it. I like it because it's pretty controllable. It's not as unstable as people say, as people made it out to be. So I'm really glad to have this, and I'll probably try and make it good. So that's all for this video. Thank you, Sammy T, for all of this stuff I did. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I'll see you guys later.